everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Crafting with Cosplay Fabrics. My name is Indra, and today I'm going to show you how to do gold metallic edging for cosplays. What you want to do is start with 2-inch strips of 4-way stretch, and you want to sew these either with a serger or a zigzag stitch. The next thing that you want to do is place the zigzagged edge or the stitched edge on the outer corner of your piece, and you want to then pin it in place, and then you want to put your next piece, like your mirrored piece, on top, and then very carefully pin that into place. And you want to have this as flat as possible. Basically, you are sandwiching this gold edge on, like, between the pieces, and you're left with something a little bit like this. So there you have your golden edge. The next thing you want to do is just press your piece and do any sort of top stitching that you want to do, and that is it, and you are left with this really beautiful gold edge that looks wonderful from both sides of the fabric. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope it helps you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon for another tip, trick, or tutorial featuring Cosplay Fabrics. Bye bye.